back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this kind of butterfly fairy makeup look. I know these wings are angel wings, but it's just what I had left from a previous Halloween. I don't have fairy wings, so these are just gonna have to do for the video. As I always say in like every single one of my videos, please bear with me in terms of like the construction noise and stuff. I'm trying my best. Hopefully it's not like super loud because I am trying to edit it out. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to do this makeup look, keep watching. So first off, for this look, obviously my eyebrows are covered, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. What you're going to need is Elmer's glue, concealer, powder, and a spoolie. I have already made sure my eyebrows are clean. I'm just going to apply Elmer's glue in the opposite direction of my eyebrow growth. And I'm going to make sure I am coating every single like eyebrow hair. Now that that is done, I'm going to do another layer of Elmer's glue in the direction that I am going to be flattening my eyebrow hairs. So for here, I'm going to flatten them this way, and because my ends are kind of short, I'm flattening them in the direction of my brows. And I'm just gonna make sure that everything is laying flat. Once that is done, I'm going to take a powder brush, and I'm using like a skin tone powder, and I'm just gonna apply it to all the sticky areas. Now that that is powdered, I'm gonna do another layer of glue. And then I'm going to powder my brows again. Now that it has been completely powdered, I'm going to apply my concealer over my brows just to cover up my hairs. And then I'm gonna kind of blend out the very edges. Now that all the concealer has been applied, I'm going to powder my brows again. So now that my eyebrows are completely glued down, I'm gonna do the rest of my base routine as normal. I'm not gonna do my base and contour in this video just to save time, since the design is gonna take up a little bit of time, but I do have a separate base routine that I use in most of my makeup, and I'll link that in this video. Now that I look like an egg, I am going to apply like a very kind of light blush all over my cheek area and my eyes. Okay, now I'm actually gonna get into the drawing of the wings. Before, I recreated a makeup look off of Douyin. I had it on my shorts, and then the audio got removed, so it's no longer on my YouTube, but it's still on my TikTok. It's going to be kind of like that, but for the actual shape of the wings, I kind of wanted the ends to be a little more like sharper. So I just found a photo of a tattoo that had the type of wings that I wanted, so I'm just gonna use that as like a base drawing for my wing. I'm gonna do one side so that I can show you the other side as a tutorial. But to draw the wing, I'm actually just going to be using white, and this is the 𝘀𝐻𝐶 Beauty Retro Liner in the shade Skate Date, and this is a water activated liner, so you just spray water and then dry it, and so it's also removed with water. So hey guys, so I did half of my wing. Before I do the other side, I'm gonna draw the body of the butterfly on my nose. So I'm gonna be drawing an oval shape right here. So this is the top of the oval, and this is gonna be the bottom. And then I'm gonna draw a dot here, and then kind of like a really thin diamond shape. And then I'm gonna draw another oval up here. Now we're just gonna do this side. I'm gonna start off by drawing this little antenna thing. Next, I'm gonna draw this antenna. Next, we're gonna draw this first wing. So I'm gonna start under this antenna, and I'm just drawing a line until kind of right there. Next, I'm gonna curve it inwards and bring it right here. Next, I'm drawing the second wing, and I'm gonna start it inside the first wing. Right here is where it's going to officially start. And then I'm just gonna curve this here. So again, I'm going to curve this inwards. Now I'm gonna create the bottom of the wing under my eye. And then I'm gonna bring this out as the bottom of the last wing. So I'm just gonna add some details, so I'm adding some lines here. So this line is gonna be part of the wing, but it's also gonna act as my eyeliner. So now I'm gonna trace the inside of the outer wing. So this is the top wing. Now I'm gonna do the bottom. So I'm gonna draw a little curve here. Then I'm drawing the bottom tear shape. And then I am going to draw this bottom section. I'm just adding some details. Now I'm going to be drawing this bottom tail. Okay, so that is it for the actual white part of the eyeliner. Now I'm going to be taking this brown color and just shading the outside parts of the white so that it looks a little more 3D. Okay, so now that that is done, I am going to sharpen the inner corner using the darkest brown shade. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Doe Lashes Fairy Dust. Now I'm just going to apply a mascara and curl my lashes together so that my lashes and the falsies are not like separate. I'm going to take a brown again and just shade right here. Now for my lips, I'm going to be using a contour lip pencil. This is the Heart Perfect Doe Mood lip pencil in the shade Oat Beige. And I'm just going to use this to overline my lips. Now I'm also going to use the brown shadow again and lift my lip corners. For my lip color, I'm going to be using a combination of the Juicy Lasting Tint Healing Ingdu. So this one is kind of going to be the all over shade. Now I'm going to be using the Roman Vintage Ocean on the insides as a darker color. Now I'm going to use a white highlighter. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty Enlighten highlighter. So I'm going to use a bullet brush and I'm just applying it to the tip of my nose. And I also want to apply it to like this center area. And then that is basically it for the makeup. So I got these white contacts. It didn't let me put a prescription. So I actually don't even know if I'm in frame right now. But maybe don't get these ones because there's literally no netting. So I actually can't see at all right now.